Welcome guys, in this journey in discovering budget Balisongs. Today we have the XDYY steel Matco. Let's see if this one is the most budget one. I want them all. T28, yes. Okay, we have a lot of rubber inserts, really good. I should try this on the arm shark Kraken, so just to see if it fits, because it can really resolve the issue of the balance of the arm shark Krakens. What do we have here? Okay, Loctite, and also the pouch. Let's see the pouch. Oh, wait, let's see all the colors of this. Okay, maybe only this package with the coated one, it gives a lot of colors. Normally it gives only like one of them, I don't know, but it seems to me on the website that it is in this way. Anyway, we have these colors just to show you. Okay, then the pouch, normal pouch, XDYY, calling. Now let's check this steel Kraken, how it is. Seems pretty good. Also, this thing, what was the name? Spacers? Yes, spacers. Okay, let's see. Tiny wiggle. A bit. Very good tune. Almost no play. The top is like wiggle, as you can see. Seems really good, no way. This thing is really well made. Seems like a titanium Kraken. I mean, it's probably the same. Wait, I need to compare them later. And okay, let's see the tune. Whoa, it's already there's already binding. Oh, okay, this is okay. Really cold. Okay, what about the other side? Binding everywhere. Yeah, binding. Let's hear the sound. Oh. Should try it without the spacer also. Maybe another time. Okay, there's a bit of wing. Okay, as you can see, the binding is very bad. Okay, I'll solve it later. Okay, this one is the coated version, so coated also on the blade and on balls on the handles. Okay, the two already checked. Now, okay, let's resolve the problem of the binding. Just to flip it a bit. No, it was here, right? Yes. Wait, what? It's like too tight. It's not T10. What? It's a T8. It's a T8. Maybe a bit better, but need also a bit of oil. No, it's not. Let's put some oil. Just to see if it resolves the binding. Yes, this oil is a very like shallow one, not of good quality. I mean, very liquid, but it's okay for like fast oils. And tests. Okay, I have also here a bunch of Balisong just to compare the XDYY steel Kraken with other Krakens. Okay, a bit better, but still a bit of binding here. It is a bit annoying. When I do this, it's just untight, so it can feel a bit better. Maybe it will resolve with time. Don't. Okay. Okay, no, too tight to flip, I think. I also need to swap camera to flip, so let's make a quick comparison with others before flipping. Okay, as you can see, it's very similar to a titanium Kraken. This is the Blue River titanium Kraken. Let's compare them just to see the differences, because I mean the steel one and the titanium one, because if it's good, it can be like a deal breaker. I mean, like the best budget thing ever, because I probably consider the titanium Kraken or Blue River one of the most valuable budget Balisongs. And if this one can be compared to this with only like $23 to $27, it would be absolutely crazy, with also like spare hardware and I mean likely nearly full package without oil. Okay, no weights, but okay, the dimension is like a bit thinner, I don't know, maybe a bit thinner. Length, very similar. Okay, comparison with okay, a lot of guys like Bali Plus, so let's compare with Bali Plus just to see. It's obviously very different, because now I can see it, it's like made with the design of a titanium Kraken. Yes, so it's like pointless to compare them, but just a quick comparison to make you understand how it is. Comparison with Titus. Now let's see the Blue River Kraken. Something interesting is original Kraken, authentic one. It's also a trainer blade, so it can be really interesting to see if there's something different. Oh, very similar. It is sad that I don't have like the Arm Shark steel Kraken, because it was sold out before I can get one. Okay, the training blade is different. I thought it was like nearly the same, but the dimensions are different. A tiny bit different. but noticeable. We'll test that later with the inserts. Okay, in the end, the arm shark one. Yes, difference is very noticeable. Okay, now let's change camera. Okay, now before that I need to compare it with the other budget ones because they are very similar in price, and so a quick comparison and just to see how it performs respect to like the Arm Shark Matco, Steel Matco, because if it is better and without a balance issue, it really beats the Matco hands down. Let's see if it's true. Also, this one, like, this is the most budget I have. It's on washers, but the price makes it very really valuable. Forgot. Okay. Now I have changed. We can do a bit of flipping, and maybe it will break in. Okay, it feels a lot heavier on the handles, as you can see. Wow, it's really handle biased with the spacers. I don't like this weight. Like, I can't do what I want to do normally because it doesn't feel right. Okay, I feel a bit like this, but I need to change the spacer and use it without the spacers. Let me, don't know if you want to see it, but I need to take them out and try without them because it's not really good with the spacer. With the spacer, the balance is like handle biased, and I don't really like that. The center point is like here. Okay guys, I just dismantled a bit the one handle, and as you can see, the spacer inside is like one piece, and this way, while the handle is like made in this way, like tiny piece. The problem is that without the spacer you can't put it together again, because like it just doesn't stay. So what I was thinking was to cut the spacers, and so in this way I can just put it in while when I want. So okay, I've just snapped one. Using some tools. Now let's see if it keeps. Okay, need to tie it. Also, I don't know if you know this, but it's like glowing in the dark. Okay, this no. Also this one maybe. Yes, this one is glowing in the dark. Also the spray. Okay, now guys, I finally made it. It was a hell of work, but no spacers. The balance is probably better, and the binding is like better than before, because I flipped it a bit and it is breaking in. Some test. Wiggle. Spaces are like half moving, but not so much, because now they are like end weights, but it was really handled by us. So. Okay, now the problem now is, I don't know, still feels heavy, maybe the blade, I don't know. Okay, let's put on the camera and flip it how we should. Okay, now let's finally flip it. I also added some more oil to see how it is now, and it is breaking in, but just from the feeling of fun, it is still handle biased, but better than before. So let's see. It's tight. It's just untight, maybe. Okay. It's not the best, but I mean, considering the price, yes, I need to tie it again. It's like untightening. let's give it the first impressions. So the tone was good, like okay, but now the fact is, even with a very tight tune, it has like binding, so I won't say it's really good. So, and also now that I have modded it, like it's a standard tune, so not too bad, not too good, good enough. So okay, the handles, okay, I just dropped it before, so it's already scratched. And okay, it is probably, if you're gonna get this, you should get one like not coated one, because it really have too much weights on the handles, and with also the spacers even worse. So remember that this is steel, so get everything without coating, because it just worsens. I mean, it just gets worse with balancement, because it's already like too heavy on everything. So the handles and gripiness. The handles are like, sincerely, are good, but too heavy compared to like the titanium one, the titanium version. Like, you can really feel the difference. Also the tone isn't good as like the other brands, but you get what you paid for. So as you can see, much better. So the grippiness is like similar to a titanium one, because this is coated, but I mean, it's okay, but it won't stick too much nor too less, so I think it's good. The handles are good, but not the weight, because it's like the opposite of the steel Matco. Maybe if I can manage to get Armshark steel Kraken, it can probably beat this one, because the quality isn't good enough. Okay, about the balance, with the spacers cut off in this way, let me think, like it is probably better than the balance of the Matco, because so in this way it won't be like blade biased, but it's a tiny bit, okay, not tiny bit, I'm not sure, like still handle bias. It's like they are the exactly opposites of every weight. I mean every balance. This is blade biased. This one is handle biased. Still, the Matco has like better tune and feeling overall, because of the quality of Armshark. So I'm not sure what to say. And also it just unties itself like so fast, no way. Okay, cheap budget with more things in the package, but quality is lower than before, so I won't say it's worth enough. I mean, in this price range they are similar, but there's always something that is bad. So you need to pay attention, and when the arm shark Kraken, steel Kraken will be restocked, I think I some way get that and review that, because I think it's probably worth respect to these two because of the balance. The sound is like with a ring now, and it's like quite a ring, as you can hear it. The price is $23.2 to $27.2. Opposite, okay, and it's like really similar to the steel mud. So as a value to dollar comparison, I mean, the value of this thing, I think it's pretty high, but not enough. I will position it like, I don't know, because the feeling, it can't beat the Armchair Matko, because like this has a good tune, good feeling, handle biased, but this one doesn't have even the tone and the quality, and it's like the opposite, so it's handle biased. But I have to admit that this thing feels similar to a titanium Kraken, not really good, but like a very bad clone of a titanium Kraken. And that's what I think. And here I just put in S because it's really budget, but I wouldn't recommend it. My recommendation is probably to get for the most budget the Armchair steel Kraken if you can, but I haven't tried and can't say that for sure, so think about it. The tier, as I said, it's similar to that, so it's S, but only because of the price, not for the overall feeling. Okay, now just for reference, something else to say. Yes, let's try the space, the inserts on like a real Kraken to see what if it fits or not. No, okay, it doesn't fit. Wait, this one fits. Wait. Okay, the longer one fits like a bit, but the others. The others, but the little ones, like, no, okay, no, the little ones aren't too good. No, it doesn't feel they will fall off, so. Okay, but I can just flip it with this on it and see if feels better. Okay, no, I can't. I need to get it out. I mean, let's just get it out of here. At least one fits, so let's try it and see if it's good enough to balance the Kraken trainer, because every Kraken trainer, I think it's not balanced enough on the blade. It's like lacks weight on the blade. This is an original squid trainer. Oh, don't drop it. It does feel like more neutral now. Need to try it also on the shark trainer. And also, yes, you can get spacers like on squid, and also you can make them on your own. Probably I will do that one day. But this one is like, sincerely, it feels good to have something. Like maybe it's not enough, but if I can position something, I don't know. Okay, I will keep it on it because it feels better, and I'm not doing like a DIY thing, so I will just use them because I have them. So let's put the other one on here. Let's put the glowing one. Okay, no. It's more natural to have this one. Also here, as you can see, they doesn't fit. Don't know if the smaller ones fits. Let's try. Just to have more weight. Oh no. Keep these things on. Oh, it nearly doesn't fit. Like you need to push it. You need to push it a lot. But I mean, no problem. Let's feel it if it's good. It's not causing any issue, so. And now it's balanced. Maybe it needs another one, but it's more balanced. That's a good thing. Just to yes, it is more balanced, like more neutral. So I think arm shark trainer with some spacer, I mean some inserts, it's like the best Kraken trainer you can get nowadays, because like if it is good, it has quality, and with a bit of balancement, with space, with inserts, it feels much better. Like with also other parts, I can even balance it as much as I like. So just to tell you that, guys, and see you in another video. I just thought that I should put some of this also on the XDYY and see if it feels much better, like if it's handle biased. I can put this on and see if will become like perfect balance. Doesn't come. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, finally done. Okay, now let's I'm not sure. Okay, now it's like I'm not sure. It is it does feel like better, but now it's like heavy. The blade is too heavy. Yeah, the blade now it's too heavy because it was already heavy, and but it does balance a bit more the handle, so maybe I just try various combinations and tell you guys how if it feels better, but not sure because the quality is still like lacking. So let's see it on another video. See you guys.